How are you? I hope that all are well and living safe life at your home. Now today we will discuss about some problems from chapter 10 mensuration exercise 10.1. Your question is, what is the length of the wooden strip required to frame a photograph of length and breadth 32 centimeter and 21 centimeter respectively? Okay, my dear student, in this question we will find out length of the wooden strip. Okay, so what will you do? According to question, in this question photograph is in the rectangular frame, so we will apply the parameter of the rectangle. So the length of the wooden strip is equal to parameter of frame of a photograph. Now look here, photograph is in the form of a rectangle, so we will apply the parameter of rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. L stand for length and B stand for breadth. Okay, length is 32 centimeter and breadth is 21 centimeter. After adding, you will get what is the sum? Sum is 53. 53 into 2, it will give to you 106 centimeter. So the length of the wooden strip of a photograph is 106 centimeter. This is your required answer for your required question. Okay, again, my dear student, we will apply the some problems from exercise. This is the question number 9. That is the question number 9, exercise 10.1. Okay. Now look here. In this question we will find the side of the square whose parameter is 20 meter. Find the side of the square whose parameter is 20 meter. So my dear student, as you know very well, parameter of square is equal to parameter of square is equal to 4 into side, and in this question parameter is 20 meter. So 20 meter is equal to 4 into side, and side will be 20 upon 4 meter. 20 upon 4, it will give to you 4 1 ja 4, 4 5 ja 20. This is the 5 meter. In this question, what is your required answer? 5 meter. 5 meter is the side of the given square. This is your required answer for your required question. Okay. Then after we will discuss about one more question. This is the question number 10 from exercise 10.1. My dear student, your question is, the parameter of regular pentagon is 100 centimeter. How long is its each side? In this question we will apply the parameter of regular pentagon is 5 into side. Okay. Now in this question, parameter of regular pentagon is 100 centimeter, and 100 centimeter is equal to 5 into side. Therefore, side of regular pentagon, each side of regular pentagon is 100 upon 5. It will give to you 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter is each side of the regular pentagon. Okay. Again, Then after we will discuss about one more question. It is the question number 11 from exercise 10.1. Okay, my dear student, in this question a piece of string is 30 centimeter long. What will be the length of each side if the string is used? Now look here, in this question a piece of string is 30 centimeter long. Suppose this is one string AB. Suppose AB is one string and this string is 30 centimeter long. And according to question, this string is used to form a square. This string is used to form a square. B is an equilateral triangle. And regular hexagon. Okay, so in this question what will be the length of each side? Now look here, what is your question? Suppose in this question AB is one string. AB is one string and length of this string is 30 centimeter. Okay, this string we will convert in the form of square. Second is equilateral triangle and third is regular hexagon. Okay, so in this question we will find out what is the length of each side. What is the length of each side of square? What is the length of each side of equilateral triangle? And what is the length of each side of regular hexagon? Okay, so first we will discuss about what is the length of each side of square. In this question we will apply the formula of parameter. Okay, now for square, parameter of square is equal to 4 into side. Parameter of square is equal to 4 into side. Parameter of square, that means in this side we will apply the length of string. The length of string. Length of string is 30 centimeter is equal to 4 into side. Therefore side is equal to 30 upon 4 centimeter. Okay, 30 upon 4. Now after division what will you get? 30 upon 4. Now look here, 30 divided by 4, 4 7 are 28, 30 minus 28 it will give to you 2, 30 minus 28 it will give to you 2. Division is not possible, so what will you do? Put here one decimal point and instead of this decimal point we put here one 0. Okay, then after 4 5s are 20 and remainder is 0. Therefore 7.5 centimeter. 7.5 centimeter is each side of the square. This is your required answer for question number 11A. Okay, then after we will discuss about what is the length of each side of an equilateral triangle. Now look. For 11th B, in this question we will apply the parameter of equilateral triangle. This is one string and this string converted to equilateral triangle. So we will discuss about what is the solution for this question. For 11th B, length of the string is equal to parameter of an equilateral triangle. Okay, length of string is equal to parameter of an equilateral triangle. Parameter of equilateral triangle is 3 into side, and length of the string is 30 centimeter. Then after each side of equilateral triangle will be 30 upon 3 centimeter. 3 1 ja 3, 10 3 ja 30. It will give to you 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter is each side of the equilateral triangle. Okay, 10 centimeter is each side of the equilateral triangle. This is your required answer for your required question. Now, my dear student, we will find out the each side of regular hexagon. What is the length of each side of regular hexagon? Now look here. In this question, length of the string is equal to parameter of regular hexagon. Okay, parameter of regular hexagon, length of string is 30 centimeter and parameter of regular hexagon is 6 into side. What is the hexagon? Hexagon is regular polygon. It will contain 6 sides. Okay, now look here. This is the regular hexagon. A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F is regular hexagon. In this question we will find out what is the length of each side of regular hexagon. So 30 centimeter is equal to 6 into side. Then after side is equal to 30 upon 6 centimeter. Now look here. 6 1 ja 6, 6 5 ja 30. 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter is each side of the regular hexagon. Okay, this is your required answer for your required. Then after we will discuss about question number 13 from exercise 10.1. Okay, my dear student, in this question find the cost of a fencing a square park of side 250 meter at the rate of rupees 20 per meter. Okay, now look here. My dear student, what is the question? find the cost of fencing a square park of side 250 meter at the rate of rupees 20 per meter. In this question we will find out what is the cost of fencing. Okay, so in this question we will apply the formula for parameter of square. In this question first we will find out the total length of the fencing. Now look here, solution for this question is total length of the fencing of the fencing of a total length of the fencing of square park is equal to parameter of square this is 4 into side. Okay, 4 into side. And now look here, find the cost of fencing of a square park of side 250 meter. So total length of the fencing of square park will be 4 into side is equal to 4 into 250 meter. After multiplication, what will be product? 1000 meter. 1000 meter is the total length of the fencing of square park. 1000 meter is the total length of the fencing of square park. Then after we will discuss about what is the cost. So we will apply the condition, the cost of fencing of 1 meter is rupees 20. Okay, the cost of fencing of 1 meter is rupees 20. Therefore the cost of fencing of 1000 meter the cost of the fencing of 1000 meter will be 1000 into 20. It will give to you rupees 20,000. Rupees 20,000 is the total cost of fencing of square park. Okay, my dear student, this is the required answer for your required question. Now look here, in this question, this is the question number 15, exercise 10.1. Question number 15, exercise 10.1. Okay, what is the question? Now look here, CT runs around a square park. CT runs around a square park of side 75 meter. Okay, and Bulbul runs around a rectangular park with length 60 meter and breadth 45 meter. Who cover less distance? Now look here, Now look here, my dear student, your question is Sweetie runs around a square park of side 75 meter. Bulbul runs around a rectangular park with length 60 meter and breadth 45 meter. Okay, who cover less distance? In this question, as you are looking, there are two persons, Sweetie and Bulbul. Sweetie runs around a square park and Bulbul runs around a rectangular park. So in this question we will find out who cover less distance. Now we will discuss what is the solution for this question. Now look here, Sweetie runs around a square park. So first we will discuss about distance covered by Sweetie. Now look here, distance covered by Sweetie around a square park is equal to perimeter of square. Perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side. Now look here, in this question Sweetie runs around a square park of side 75 meter. 4 into 75 meter, it will give to you 300 meter. After multiplication, what is the product? 300 meter. Okay, then after we will discuss about Bulbul runs around a rectangular park with length 60 meter and breadth 45 meter. In this question we will apply for Bulbul distance covered by Bulbul. Distance covered by Bulbul is equal to perimeter of rectangular park is equal to 2 into L plus B. Okay, 2 into L plus B. L stand for length and B stand for breadth. Length is 60 meter and breadth is 45 meter. Okay, now look here, +60 + 45, it will give to you 60 + 45, it will give to you 105 meter. 105 meter. Okay, 105 into 2. 105 into 2, it will give to you 210 meter. Now look here, distance covered by Bulbul is equal to perimeter of rectangular park is 2 into L plus B. Length is 60 meter, breadth is 45 meter. 60 plus 45, it will give to you 105 into 2, it will give to you 210 meter. In this question, distance covered by Sweetie is 300 meter and distance covered by Bulbul is 210 meter. So in this question, what is your requirement? Who who covers less distance? According to calculation, as you are looking, Bulbul covers less distance. Okay. What is the main answer? Answer is, after calculation, who cover less distance? Bulbul covers less distance. Okay. Bulbul covers less distance. This is your required solution and answer for your required question. Okay.